Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I am at Wolverton on the West Coast Main Line. Here is 35404 and 109 going from Birmingham New Street to London Euston, where you'll be seeing services from London North Western Railway, Avanti West Coast, and a bit of freight. This is my first time here, as always, and there should be something special coming through, if I'm not mistaken. It's currently at Milton Keynes. It should pass through any minute now. Anyways, let's see what shall turn up. Okay, the first train to pass through is (7:32, 14 and 236 going from London Euston to Crewe. Okay, the first freight train to pass through will be a DB Cargo UK Class 66 going from Dollond's Moor to Daventry. 66 091. That one is passing through an hour and something early. No, not early. That thing is passing an hour and something late. I didn't expect to see that while I was here. But nonetheless, it's still a good time to see some DB Cargo locos doing the water train instead of GBRF. Even though most of the freight will be Freightliner. I mean, who cares? Okay, the next train to pass through should be an 807 going from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. And I think we have something behind. (807-005). And another Avero. (805-007 working a service from London Euston to Chester. And into the viaducts and trees. Okay, the next train to pass by should be a Pendolino, because I heard a tone from a Pendolino. Well, considering that light, if you can see, is amber, maybe not yet. Okay, passing through now is what probably is the Pendolino that did the tone. Oh, and over here, actually no. (390-104). Or actually no, yeah, there is something there. But what is it? It's another Avero. (805-012). This one's doing to Holyhead from London Euston. Okay, passing through now is a Chiltern Railways 196 going from Bletchley TMD to Tisseley TMD. 196011. For some reason, real-time trains path that as a 321. Going maximum 45 miles per hour. Okay, passing through now is is it the first Pendolino? Maybe. Going from Edinburgh Waverley to London. Oh, I know, but here it is. £390 130 is the London-bound Pendolino. £390 154 is that one going to Manchester Piccadilly from London Euston. £390 130 is going from Edinburgh Waverley to London Euston. Okay, passing through now is the Freightliner 90s going from Felixstowe to Daventry. On the front is 90042 and 90041. Almost fully loaded. And 90042 sporting the Freightliner Powerhaul livery. As maybe try, there it is, if you can see it. There is some sort of airplane flying overhead. Okay, passing through now is a Pendolino going from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street. £390 134, City of Carlisle. City of Carlisle? City of Carlisle? Is that City of Carlisle? I think it is City of Carlisle. I don't know if... I think I read the nameplate wrong. And immediately following on will be a Freightliner 66 going from Lawley Street to Southampton. Move my camera here. 66 513. Okay, arriving in now should be a pair of 350s going from London Euston to Birmingham New Street with 350 112 making a weird noise on the front. Okay, 350 112 should be ready to depart now. And 350 377 on the rear. Oh bloody hell! I missed the nameplate on it. I've seen that nameplate before, but I don't know what. I can't remember what the name was. Okay, passing through now are some 730s going from Crewe to London Euston. 730, 226 and 219. Okay, passing through now is a network rail 153, 311. Going from Fern Park Reception to Derby RTC network rail. Okay, arriving in now is another pair of 350s going from Birmingham New Street to London Euston. 350, 125 on the front. And 350, 374 on the rear. Okay, 350, 374 and whatever's on the front is now departing to London Euston from Birmingham New Street. In your own time. Oh, there it is. Okay, passing through now is another Pendolino going from London to Birmingham. $390 137. What in the world? I've never seen 390 and another 390 going from Glasgow. $390 042. I have never seen 390 137. And I have not heard of Anti-West Coast having new units. Or maybe I just misread that as 390 127. I'll double check to see if it's 390 127 or not. Okay. Passing through now should be an Aviro. $805 going from Wrexham General to London Euston. Okay, passing through now is another Pendolino going from London Euston to Glasgow Central. B together 390 001 with a bit of blood on the rear. Okay, passing through now is another Pendolino going from Manchester to London. $390 131, and I can see the dust it's kicking up from the braking. Gee, oh my lord, it smells so bad. Jesus Christ, that driver was a woman, and she really hit the brakes. Oh my goodness me. Oh my gosh. Oh my, I can't get the smell. It actually smells so bad. Who wondered that 390's brakes can smell that bad? Wow. I mean, wow, like what? Arriving in now would be another pair of 350s doing yet another London to Birmingham run. 350 110 is on the front. Nice. Okay, and 350-110 is now departing to Birmingham from London. And 350-405 on the rear. Okay, passing through now is another Pendolino going from, I don't know. 390-123. Go. What? Okay, passing through now is yet another Avero. (805-004) going from Birmingham New Street to London Euston. Okay, passing through now is another Avero. (807-002) going from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street. Okay, passing through now is 390-155 going from London Euston to Glasgow Central. Okay, passing through now is 730-225 and 208 going from London Euston to Crewe. Okay, arriving in now should be a pair of 350s going from Birmingham New Street to London Euston. 350, 369 on the front. With a very good flat wheel on the front. And 350-119 on the rear. And over. It's 88-006 Juno going from Seabrook to Daventry, hauling the Fresh Air Express. Genuinely caught me off guard. Passing through 9 minutes late. Okay, 350-119 and whatever's on the front again. Oh, whatever. Is now departing to London Euston from Birmingham. Okay, passing through now is yet another Avera going from Liverpool to London Euston. (807-008). I feel like we've seen every 807. Like the one at Cheddington. And over here should be a Pendolino going from London Euston to Edinburgh Waverley. Sees the return of 390-042. Okay, passing through now is another Avero. (805-006). I don't know why Avanti West Coast are just doing single Averos, but this is doing one to Chester from London. actually, wait, no, yes, here is a Pendolino. £390,153 going from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. Okay, passing through now is a Pendolino going from Birmingham New Street to London Euston with a red block. Oh, that's a fucking hard one. Oh, damn. What is... Oh, my God. I don't know what it is. I think it's 390,112. I think... I'm gonna say 390,112. Okay, arriving in now is another pair of 350s. And it looks like 350,111 is on the... Yeah, it's on the front. Wasn't expecting it. No, wasn't expecting. Okay, 350,111 is now departing to Birmingham New Street. The Spirit of Invictus. No? What? And on the rear is 402. Okay, passing through now is a Pendolino going from Preston to London Euston. £390,011. Okay, passing through now are some Freightliner 90s. 90,040 on the front. And 90,010. And we have a Pendolino here going from Manchester to London. £390,010. The first 90 on that consist was an XDB Cargo 90. That consist was going from Felixstowe to Trafford Park. Okay, passing through now is a single WMR 730 going from Soho to Bletchley. £730,015. Okay, passing through now is a Freightliner 66 going from London Gateway to Lawley Street. 66,538. Half full. Okay, passing through now is an Avero. £807,001 going to Liverpool Lime Street from London Euston. Okay, and for the last train of this video will be a pair of 350s. 350,403 going from Birmingham New Street to London Euston. And on the rear is 350,375. And over there is an 805 going from Holyhead to London Euston. And that is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. You can leave a comment if you want to. My next station, I've put my schedule on my community. Anyways, I will see you soon from here at Wolverton. Take care, guys. Goodbye. And another Pendolino. Take care, guys. Goodbye from Wolverton.